Is it fair to say, and you know the economic realities better than most because you're members of the chamber, they're the ones who are employing so many people, particularly small business. You think right now, because we're at $4 a gallon in that range, and because of the economic crisis we face, that people say, maybe now would have been the time, but sorry, can't do it, and it's dead again?
Well, to be verging on a cliche, you can pay now or you can pay later. We know that our roads are in disrepair, and for your viewers, it costs them about $550 a year more to maintain their cars because of the damage done to them by potholes and by all the stuff that's wrong with our roads. So it can either be a giant repair bill that you see, or it can be a gas tax that you don't feel very much every time you go to the pump. And when you take it over a year and you look at the number, it isn't as big as you made it in your head. We've talked about even getting rid of the gas tax. It would be much simpler to get rid of the gas tax and just apply sales tax to gasoline.